just frozen the visa processing process of about 75 countries, including Somalia, Russia and Iran. Pakistan and Nepal are also among the 75 nations for whom the visa processing has been put on hold by the United States. That's the breaking update which we are tracking. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast here. Rishabh, we are learning that United States had imposed curb on visa proceedings up to 75 countries, which includes Russia, Pakistan and Bangladesh as well.
Well, definitely. The news report that has come in from the State Department of the United States and has now been confirmed to Times Now as well that 75 countries will now face a visa restriction. And these 75 countries include, very importantly, Pakistan and Bangladesh as well. Remember, Pakistan has been lobbying a lot in Washington, but now they are under the visa restrictions. And if we talk about the countries, which are the important countries that we are looking at? We are looking at countries like Egypt, countries like Colombia, countries like Republic of Congo, or for that matter, Cuba, or Brazil, Bhutan, Belarus, Burma as well, which is Myanmar. Countries like Afghanistan and Pakistan. Pakistan, most importantly, features in the list of 75 as well. Apart from that, Central Asian countries like Uzbekistan, African countries like Uganda are also on the list. European countries, which include Moldova, Macedonia, also on the list. So the way this list has been created looks like the State Department will filter out a lot of immigrant visas from here on. And these 75 countries, which include, Bangladesh to Barbados, Bhutan to Bosnia, Brazil to Burma, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or Kazakhstan, Kosovo, all these countries will face issues. Russia, Pakistan, Bangladesh are the major ones from where the immigrant visas will not be taken now.
Right, Rishabh, thank you so much for joining us with all those details here. However, Rishabh, before I let you go, I'll ask you one more question. Of course, India is not included in these 75 countries list, and this is, of course, a part of U.S. immigration crackdown. But this comes at a time when U.S. is already facing a situation with Iran, with an unrest in the country, and now at this point in time, when such a crackdown, when it comes to immigration, how should we look at U.S. cracking down on 75 countries? How should we look at the steps being taken by United States at this point in time against 75 countries?
Well, Shivangi, if we talk about these curbs that will come in starting January 21st, one should look at it as U.S. filtering out the immigrants they want in their country. India does not feature in this, but remember there have been other filters as well which has been put. H-1B visa was the first setback for India's great American dreams. Apart from that, other visas have also come down. There have been a lot of posts that has come in from U.S. Embassy in India, which has put conditions on what basis the visas would be granted. Definitely India is not on this, but definitely there are many Indians who have been rejected for the visa. So we'll have to wait and see how things unfold from here and what happens from here on. The new U.S. envoy who has just joined in Delhi looks very positive about India-U.S. relationship. It would be interesting to see where the relationship goes from here on.
Rishabh, do stay on with us as we are tracking some more breaking news which is coming at this point in time. We are learning the state of Qatar has confirmed reports of